Test drive the 2020 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.